Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing this makeup look right here, but before we get into this makeup look, I just want to talk real quick. 3 years ago, on January 15th, I started my YouTube channel, and girl, like, it's been a journey, if not, like, like, literally it's been 3 years, and it's like, where has the time gone? The past 3 years has just been like that, but like at the same exact time, it's been so long. Like super long. Like I don't understand like how it's fast and so long. Like but I just want to say thank you guys for, you know, sticking around and hanging out with me, and yeah, so I just really appreciate you guys, you know, staying here, making me not feel lonely. You know, me coming in front of camera is me expressing like my true talent and what I love, and there's not really a lot of things that I love, and this is like one thing like that I like really love and really passionate about. Yeah, in the future I plan on being a makeup artist, and you know, that will be soon, hopefully. So let's cross our fingers, and maybe it'll happen, maybe it won't. Hopefully it will. It will. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I just really appreciate you guys, because every single time when I get in front of the camera, it's me not thinking about my real life, and there's not really a lot going on in my real life, like no, like, well, family drama, yeah, but there's not like a whole bunch of it. Like, it's not like weighing off my shoulders, but it's just like me in general. So when I get in front of the camera, it just makes me not think about that stuff, and I just want to thank you guys so much for letting me have this opportunity of just letting me do what I love and not think about my real life, not think about what's in this head right here, in this noggin. And yeah, so it's been 3 years and I just can't believe it. It's been so long. It's been like a real journey, and I just, again, thank you guys. And yeah, so I just wanted to do this look for you guys. It's not really anything special. I just was like, hey, let's do a makeup tutorial, because I didn't want to just sit and just talk about like how I'm thankful of you guys, because I could do that like a 30-minute video, no joke, but I don't want to do that. that's too much. But yeah, so if you want to learn how to get this look, then just keep on watching. I'm going to be taking this Revolution Reloaded palette, and I'm going to be grabbing this color right here as a transition shade. My hair is so crazy, like I just ignore it, like, yeah. But I'm going to be taking this Silicone blending brush, put that color right in my crease, just as a transition shade for the colors that we're going to be using. As always, I always say that in like every video, you always want to use a transition shade, because it will be so much easier to blend out everything later on. Now I'm going to go in with the same palette, and I'm going to go in with this color right here, this orange shade, with this Morphe M441 brush. And I'm just going to do the same thing that I did with the other colors, just really put that in the crease. And then I'm going to take the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to be taking this color right here, and take the same brush and do the same exact thing. This color and the other color that we just took from the Revolution palette is very similar, but they're not the same color. The one that we just took has more of like an orangey undertone. This one has more of a yellow undertone. So this will just kind of brighten up that orange a little bit. And now I'm going to go in with this color from the Dominique Latte palette. I'm gonna go in with this color right here, and I am gonna put that on my lid. Hopefully this will look good. If it doesn't, then I mean, and I'm just gonna pack that on my lid. I honestly don't know what I'm doing and don't know what I'm going for, so I mean, we're just going with the flow, you know? Don't worry, we're not done, we're not done. I'm gonna grab this Morphe brush right here. I'm gonna take the brush that we took earlier. In this kind of look, you really just have to focus on blending everything and packing colors back on, and then blending it out, and then packing more on, and just do that over and over and over again. I'm gonna take that yellow shade from the Morphe palette and just help blend that out a little bit. I'm going to take a clean brush and grab that yellow shade from the Morphe palette. Put that in the crease, just bring it back into the look because that yellow is kind of turning into really keep packing on that blue and blend because that's really just the key of this kind of look. I think we're almost done blending, and I think I'm going to add a wing, because I feel like it will just make it look like more like prettier maybe. So I think I might do that. Alrighty, so let me do the same technique that I did on this eye, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I was going through my collection of like liners, liquid eyeliners, just waterline pencils and stuff like that, and I found this one. And this is the LA Girls liquid eyeliner, and I'm assuming black. It doesn't have a color on it, but I remember me liking it, but I don't know. So I'm gonna just try it out, I guess. Alright guys, so I did my full face. I did do my lippy. I popped that on. I did my bottom lash line and my lashes, my brow bone highlight, and on this side I did my inner corner highlight. Now my highlighter for my brow bone is this Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter powder in Blossom Glow. It's not really much, but like whatever. The bottom lash line, I only took the first color that we took for the whole eye makeup. This color right here from the Revolution palette. I just took that color, I just put on the bottom lash line, put on mascara, done. And then of course you could like smoke it out down there, whatever. You could do whatever you want, it does not matter. But I just wanted to do something simple down there. I didn't feel like going above and beyond for the bottom lash line. My lippy is, let me get it. This is the Mellow matte lipstick in Posh, and then the lip gloss on top is this Ulta Shiny Sheer lip gloss. And we're gonna do the inner corner real quick. I took this ColourPop Golden State of Mind shadow palette, and I took this like silver bluish color, and I just took that on this Morphe flat brush. And I'm going to do it once again and put it on my inner corner. But yeah, so that's the end of this look. I really love how it looks. It looks so cute. At first I was like, girl, I don't know. But I think I like how it looks. It's very simple and easy. I mean, if you're a beginner, this might not be like the look like if I was a beginner and I saw this look, I don't think I would go for it, because like it took a lot of time, and when I started doing makeup, I just was not, like, I was like slap it on and go, and I was just not blending. never, never, never. But yeah, and I did talk about it in the beginning of the video, but I'm just gonna say it again. It's been 3 long freaking years since I've been on YouTube. Like, that's so crazy to me. Like, I just can't get it through my head. Like, it's just so crazy. And I just can't believe that you guys have been like with me through thick and thin. Like, we've been through so much. But yeah, so if you like this makeup look, give this video a like and also comment down below what you guys want to see next. There will be a video tomorrow, don't worry, I am going to be uploading tomorrow. But I just wanted to get one video out for me being on YouTube for 3 years. Like, yeah, so yeah, so I don't think there's anything else to say, guys. Bye. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.